Hi everyone, Scott Schweiger back with another Tuesday tax tip. I typically release a tax tip weekly until tax day, but as I did with the extended tax season last year, I'm still using original tax day as my guide. That means as the last Tuesday before April 15th, this will be my final tax tip of the year. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. We've been hammering away at all the recent changes that have been rolled out mid tax season. And now, just days away from original tax day, I think it's only fitting that we talk about extensions. Yes, I know individual tax returns got extended automatically to May 17th, but that does not preclude you from still filing an extension anyway. This would be Form 4868 if you're looking for it. You can thank Google for that. Now, why would you file an extension? Well, maybe you're a procrastinator and still want until October 15th to file, or maybe you just don't want the pressure of a deadline that's a little more than a month away. Regardless, there's many reasons to file an extension, and you still can do so. You can even make a payment toward your taxes with the extension if you need. Sounds great. A few more months to put off taxes, right? Well, not so fast. It's only an extension to file your taxes. It's not an extension to pay your taxes. You still owe your tax due on May 17th. And if you don't start your return, you may have no clue whether you owe or not. And if you don't pay timely, then you may be subject to underpayment penalties and interest. Sorry, procrastinators. Finally, if you make quarterly estimated payments, those are still due on. There's no extension on those. At least you have a few more days to figure it out. And if you're one of those sneaky people just planning on overpaying with an extension payment just to apply it to your first quarter estimated payments later, that'll work as long as the extension and the extension payment are made by April 15th still, though. So you're probably better off just making your regularly scheduled estimated payment. Obviously, how this tip will impact you depends on your particular set of facts and circumstances, like whether or not you filed your taxes or if you make estimated taxes. If you do have specific questions, please reach out to your tax advisor or feel free to contact me. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this year's journey. It's been a wild one. And I will see you guys all next tax season.